The rainbow balloon ride in a quiet little village. There lived a cheerful girl named Lily and her best friend, Benji, a playful little puppy with floppy ears. Lily loved adventures, and Benji loved following her everywhere she went. Every day, they would explore the fields, chase butterflies, and play in the sunshine. One bright and sunny morning, something amazing happened. As they were playing in the meadow, a large, colorful hot air balloon appeared in the sky. It was the most beautiful balloon they had ever seen, with stripes of every color of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The balloon gently floated down and landed right in front of them.
Wow!
A real balloon! Lily exclaimed, her eyes wide with excitement. Benji barked happily, wagging his tail as he ran around the balloon. Just then, a voice called out from the basket of the balloon. "Hello there. My name is Mr. Whiskers, and I need some help. Would you like to come on an adventure?" Lily and Benji peeked into the basket and saw a friendly cat with a fluffy orange tail and a twinkle in his eyes. He wore a tiny hat and a big smile. "An adventure?" Lily asked, her heart racing with excitement. "Where are we going?" "We're going to visit the land of rainbows," Mr. Whiskers explained. "But there's a problem. The rainbow has lost all its colors, and I need brave adventurers to help bring them back. Will you join me?" Lily smiled. "Of course we'll help. Right, Benji?" Benji barked in agreement, jumping into the basket with a wag of his tail. And so, with a whoosh, the rainbow balloon lifted off the ground, carrying Lily, Benji, and Mr. Whiskers high into the sky. The world below grew smaller and smaller as they floated up, up toward the land of rainbows. The cloud of red, their first stop, was at a soft, fluffy cloud that was glowing faintly with red light. As the balloon floated closer, they saw that the cloud was filled with red apples, strawberries, and roses. But the color of the cloud had faded, and everything looked pale and gray. "We need to bring back the red," Mr. Whiskers said, pointing to a small bottle in the basket. "This is the red potion. Sprinkle it over the cloud, and the red will return." Lily carefully took the bottle and sprinkled the red potion over the cloud. As soon as the potion touched the cloud, something magical happened. The apples turned bright red, the strawberries sparkled with fresh color, and the roses bloomed with the richest red petals.
Wow!
It worked! Lily cheered. Benji barked excitedly, jumping up and down in the basket. "Great job," Mr. Whiskers said with a smile. "Now let's visit the next color." The meadow of orange. The balloon floated higher and higher until they reached a glowing meadow. The grass here was long and golden, but the orange flowers and pumpkins had lost their bright color. "We need to bring back the orange," Mr. Whiskers said, handing Lily another potion, this one marked with an orange label. "The orange potion will fix it." Lily sprinkled the potion over the meadow, and just like before, the orange flowers bloomed brightly, and the pumpkins turned a deep, beautiful orange. The meadow sparkled with life and color again. Benji barked happily and ran in circles, enjoying the bright colors. The river of yellow next. They flew to a river that used to shimmer with golden yellow water. But now, the river looked dull and colorless. "Time for the yellow potion," Mr. Whiskers said, handing Lily the bright yellow bottle. Lily carefully poured the potion into the river, and instantly, the water began to glow with a warm, golden light. The river sparkled and shone like the sun, and the yellow flowers along the riverbank bloomed once more. "Look, Benji, it's beautiful," Lily said, smiling as the balloon drifted over the glowing river. The forest of green. The adventure wasn't over yet. The balloon floated toward a forest filled with tall trees. But the leaves were pale, and the grass was gray. "This time, we need the green potion," Mr. Whiskers said, passing Lily the last bottle. Lily sprinkled the green potion over the forest, and like magic, the trees and grass turned a vibrant, lively green. The birds in the trees began to sing, and the whole forest came alive with color. "We did it!" Lily cheered, clapping her hands. Benji barked and wagged his tail, running to the edge of the basket to look at the bright green forest below. The sky of blue. As they floated higher, they noticed the sky itself had lost its color. The blue was faded, and the clouds looked dull. "Oh no! The sky needs its color too," Lily said. But Mr. Whiskers chuckled. "Don't worry, the rainbow balloon can help. Just shout blue as loud as you can and watch the magic happen." Lily, Benji, and Mr. Whiskers all shouted, "Blue," and suddenly the balloon glowed with a bright blue light. The sky turned a brilliant blue, and the clouds became fluffy and white once again. The rainbow returns finally. The balloon carried them to the top of a hill, where they could see the whole land of rainbows. But something was missing: the rainbow itself. "We need one more color," Lily said. "Purple." With a flash of light, the rainbow balloon glowed purple, and the missing rainbow appeared in the sky, stretching across the land in every color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple filled the sky in a perfect arch. "We did it," Lily said, clapping her hands. Benji barked happily, and Mr. Whiskers gave a proud smile. "Thanks to you both, the land of rainbows is colorful again." As the balloon floated back down to the village, Lily and Benji knew they had just been on the most magical adventure of their lives. And whenever they looked up at the sky, they would remember their rainbow ride and the colors they had brought back to the world.